Programming languages are an essential tool in the world of software development. They provide a way for developers to communicate with computers and create powerful applications that make our lives easier. Over the years, programming languages have evolved significantly, becoming more powerful and user-friendly with each iteration. A programming language is a formal language that is designed to communicate instructions to a computer. These instructions can be used to create software applications, websites, mobile apps, and many other types of programs. Programming languages are used by developers to create algorithms and instructions that can be executed by a computer. There are many different types of programming languages, each with their own unique syntax and structure. Some of the most popular programming languages include Python, Java, C++, JavaScript, and Ruby. Each language has its strengths and weaknesses, and developers must choose the right language for the task at hand. One of the primary benefits of programming languages is that they provide a way for developers to communicate with computers in a human-readable way. Without programming languages, developers would need to write instructions directly in machine language, which is extremely difficult and time-consuming. Programming languages provide a layer of abstraction that allows developers to write instructions in a more natural and intuitive way. Programming languages can be broadly categorized into two main categories: high-level languages and low-level languages. High-level languages are designed to be more user-friendly and easier to read and write than low-level languages. Examples of high-level languages include Python and Java. Low-level languages, on the other hand, are closer to the binary language that computers understand. Examples of low-level languages include assembly and machine language. One of the primary benefits of high-level languages is that they allow developers to write code that is more concise and readable. High-level languages often have built-in functions and libraries that can be used to simplify complex tasks. They also provide a more intuitive syntax that makes it easier for developers to write code quickly and accurately. Low-level languages, on the other hand, are more difficult to write and understand but offer more control over the hardware. They are often used for tasks that require precise control over the computer's hardware, such as embedded systems or operating systems. Another important aspect of programming languages is their performance. The performance of a programming language can have a significant impact on the speed and efficiency of a program. Some programming languages are designed to be faster and more efficient than others, depending on their design and implementation. For example, C++ is a programming language that is known for its speed and efficiency. It is often used for resource-intensive applications such as video games and scientific simulations. Python, on the other hand, is a language that is known for its ease of use and readability but is not as fast as C++. There are also programming languages that are designed for specific purposes. For example, SQL is a programming language that is used for working with databases, while HTML and CSS are used for creating websites. Each of these languages has its own syntax and structure, and developers must learn how to use them effectively to create effective software applications. One of the most significant developments in programming languages in recent years has been the rise of scripting languages. Scripting languages are designed to be more flexible and easier to use than traditional programming languages. They are often used for tasks such as web development, where developers need to create dynamic web pages quickly and easily. Some examples of scripting languages include JavaScript, Perl, and Ruby. These languages are often used in conjunction with HTML and CSS to create dynamic web pages that can be updated in real time. They are also used in server-side scripting to handle tasks such as data processing and authentication. In recent years, there has also been a significant rise in the use of functional programming languages. Functional programming languages are designed to be more expressive and easier to reason about than traditional imperative programming languages. They are often used in domains such as scientific computing, financial analysis, and artificial intelligence. Some examples of functional programming languages include Haskell, Lisp, and Scala. These languages offer features such as immutability, higher-order functions, and lazy evaluation, which make it easier to write code that is more modular, reusable, and maintainable. In addition to the different types of programming languages, there are also different programming paradigms that can be used to design software applications. Some of the most common paradigms include procedural programming, object-oriented programming, and functional programming. Procedural programming is a programming paradigm that focuses on writing functions or procedures that perform specific tasks. These functions are then called from a main program to execute a set of instructions in a specific order. Procedural programming is often used for tasks that involve sequential execution of instructions, such as mathematical calculations or data processing. Object-oriented programming, OOP, is a programming paradigm that focuses on creating objects that contain both data and behavior. Objects are instances of classes, which define the structure and behavior of the object. OOP is often used for creating large, complex applications that require modularity, reusability, and maintainability. Functional programming is a programming paradigm that focuses on writing code that is more declarative and expressive. Functions are treated as first-class citizens and can be passed as arguments or returned as results. Functional programming is often used for tasks that involve data processing, such as financial analysis or scientific computing. In conclusion, programming languages are an essential tool in the world of software development. They provide a way for developers to communicate with computers and create powerful applications that make our lives easier. There are many different types of programming languages, each with their own unique syntax, structure, and performance characteristics. Developers must choose the right language and programming paradigm for the task at hand to create effective software applications. As technology continues to evolve, programming languages will continue to play a crucial role in shaping the future of software development.